Hello everyone and welcome again to another edition of Windows AD Security. In today's installment, which is going to be the last one in my series, I wanted to talk about labs. So if you would like to actually configure labs in your environment, I have a script here that will enable you to do it quite fast without any problems. So let's get to it. First of all, of course, gonna need PowerShell as an administrator. So with administrative privileges, and this is the script that we are gonna be using on our AD. Okay, so first of all, of course, I'm gonna change the default path. Once again, I found the script online, so it's not mine. I don't claim any kind of rights to this script. If you want to use it, then it's free to use. I'm gonna post it under this video. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna actually set the location of the script. Next, what we need to do, well, we're gonna copy the policy definitions from C Windows policy definitions. We're gonna copy them to C Windows Civil Domain policies. So that's next. Okay, next we're gonna update labs AD schema. Which needs to be actually sorry about that. Yeah, yes to all needs to be done with AD schema administrator permissions. So that's why we are running the whole script in PowerShell as an administrator. So this will allow you to run those commands without any problems. Okay, and next we're gonna grant the permissions. So let's set all the permissions for our tiering that we actually created in previous videos. So for our OU in quarantine, for our OU in devices, tier 1, tier 0, and tier 1 servers. Next we have region allow users to read passwords, which we're gonna set as well. If you followed along with my videos for tiering, then you should have all the setup done. Of course, if you want to manage it yourself, you just need to adjust the script. So I have this PC here in quarantine. If we go to properties, we already have labs here, as you can see. Okay, and now we're gonna go for region allows users to reset passwords. Okay, allow users to reset passwords. Use this as well. Next we're gonna import GPOs, because I have also GPOs here. If we go to the main folder, we got GPOs, two GPOs here. Okay, so I'm gonna do this as well. So I'm gonna import the GPOs, and we're gonna link the GPOs to certain OUs. Okay, so basically they are linked now. We can check it out just in the forest. So if I'm gonna refresh everything right now, we're gonna go to group policy objects, and as you can see we have Windows Labs here. Okay, so I'm gonna go to edit, we're gonna go to computer configuration, preferences, policies, sorry, administrative templates, system, and here we need to find labs, and here we have labs, and there you go, you have all the requirements for labs. So of course enabling password backup for DSRM accounts, configure size of encrypted password history, enable password encryption, authorize password decryptors, name of administrator accounts to manage. So if you want to manage certain administrative accounts, you can enable this. Then you give the local administrative account name. So if you can of course configure it with the GPO, another GPO that you create local accounts in your domain that are, for example called labs admin or AD labs, and in all of the workstations in your domain, a local administrator that is in the administrative group is created, and then you put this administrative account name here. That's how it's managed. And configure automatic account management we got as well here, and of course we get password settings here. When you specify, some things are already enabled and set in the script, so those things are already enabled here. And let's just check. We got Windows Labs here. Okay, is accounts, groups, devices. We got it here in devices in tier 1. We got it in devices in tier 2. No, it's not connected here. It's only in tier 1. Yeah, because it was in tier 1 and it was in tier 0. And it was here in the servers of the Windows Labs as well. Okay, so basically this is how you can actually quite fast install labs. This is the new labs, of course, the newest one, and how you can actually manage it in your AD account, in your AD environment. So if you like the video, as always, like and subscribe. I'm gonna post the script under the video as well with the other things that are required for this script to run properly. So I'm gonna post all of those folders as well, because they are required for the script to be run properly. Like I said, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.